Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see that how the gold futures have been behaving since a long time. So here I would prefer to analyze the movements of gold futures in a monthly chart first. So here you can see that how the gold started to move from these levels and continued this uptrend in a monthly time frame and tested the highs here in September 2011. Gold futures started to move downward and tested the lows here in June 2016 at the levels of $846, and from here gold futures continued their upward rally back up to these levels. Currently the gold futures have been trading at the levels of $1810. So here I find that in a monthly time frame the gold futures have formed a golden saucer here. So here I find that till the gold futures will maintain above this line, here you can see that till the gold futures will maintain above the levels of $1772, we will see the gold futures to test new highs during the upcoming weeks. So friends, here I find that the gold futures have some psychological resistance, and the first immediate psychological resistance is $1818, and next resistance will be at the levels of $1863, and third resistance will be at the levels of $1919, and final target will be at the levels of $2000, which we may see till the end of 2020. So let us check the movements of gold futures in a monthly time frame. So here you can see that how the gold futures started an upward move from August 2004 when the gold futures were at the levels of $389 and continued this uptrend during these years and tested the highs of $1916 in September 2011, and since then the gold futures continued this downward trend, and when the gold futures once again tried to move upward from here from the levels of $1517 in June 2012 and once again tested these highs when the gold futures found their stiff resistance at the levels of $1789. So friends, here I find that this previous resistance level will provide a good support now to gold futures, because here you can see that the gold futures have crossed this stiff resistance level here and currently trading above this stiff resistance level. So therefore I find that this level has turned into a strong support now. So here I find that the gold futures look ready to use the level of 1800 as a launch pad for an upward rally up to the levels of $2009. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week we may see very volatile moves. What the gold futures may try to test these levels of $2020 in September 2020. Friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, we will see the gold futures to test the highs of $1858 once again. So friends, here I find that this level looks to be an immediate resistance. On Friday, the gold futures closed the week at the levels of $1810. So friends, here I find that an upward move above the levels of $1818 will push the gold futures to test the levels of $1863 during the upcoming week, and any downward move up to the levels of $1795 will provide a good opportunity to go long. So here I find that the sentiments may continue to flip between the risk and safety during the upcoming week, as we are going to see high volatility in global equity markets, which may keep this uptrend in gold futures intact. So friends, here you can see that the gold futures have been still maintaining an uptrend in the golden saucer. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming weeks. Now let us check the current position of moving average, where the gold futures may find support and some resistance levels in different time frames. So here you can see the current position of 20 days moving average. So here you can see that the gold futures started an uptrend after finding a strong support in May 2019 gold futures started this uptrend which is still intact. Here you can see that the gold futures showed some consolidation here, and here we had a breakout from the levels of $1579 in April 2020, and since then we have seen a steep upward move in gold futures. So now I find that the gold futures will use this range from the levels of $1768 to $1818 as a launch pad for a steep upward move up to the levels of $1919. If the gold futures sustain above the levels of $1919, we'll see the gold futures to test the targets of $2000 up to the end of 2020. So friends, now let us have a look at the current position of 20 days exponential moving average. Have already formed a bullish crossover here in April 2019. So here you can see that in case of a steep fall in March 2020, the gold futures found a strong support at 20 days exponential moving average, and since then the gold futures have shown a breakout move which is still intact. Now let us check the current position of 50 days moving average. So here you can see that currently the 50 days moving average is here. Now let us have a look at the current position of 50 days exponential moving average. So here you can see that the 50 days exponential moving average is well above the 50 days moving average, and they have created a bullish breakout here during the month of June. It has been maintaining well above the 50 days moving average, and currently you can see that all the moving averages have turned upward and showing the continuation of a breakout move in gold futures up to the levels of $1919. Very shortly, we will see the gold futures to test the levels of $1919 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, here I would like to show you the current position of 200 days moving average. So here you can see that the gold futures have been formed this golden cross well above the 200 days moving average in a monthly time frame. So here I find that the uptrend will remain intact. So now let us have a look at the current position of Ichimoku cloud in a monthly time frame. So here I find that a breakout above the Ichimoku cloud during the month of June 2019. Since then, the gold futures have been constantly maintaining an uptrend. So friends, now let us have a look at the movements of gold futures in a daily time frame. So here you can see that in a daily time frame, the gold futures have been maintaining this uptrend. Here you can see that in a daily chart, the gold futures tested the lows of $1461 on November 28, 2019, and since then the gold futures have shown a bullish trend up to the levels of $1690 what they tested on February 24, 2020, and after that the gold futures witnessed a stiff resistance at the levels of $1697 during the month of March 2020, and we have seen a steep fall from here up to the levels of $1452 what the gold futures tested on March 16, 2020, and here you can see that the gold futures showed a good bouncing move on March 20th, 2020 when the gold futures once again achieved the levels of $1692 on March 24th. And here you can see that after a short volatile move, the gold futures continued this rally up to the levels of $1787 what they tested on April 14, 2020, and from here you can see that the gold futures showed a consolidation amid this zone between the levels of $1676 to $1765. So friends, here you can see that the gold futures had one more breakout here on June 22nd, 2020, and since then the gold futures have been maintaining this uptrend, and currently the gold futures have faced a stiff resistance at the levels of $1818. So here you can see that the gold futures have shown a strong upward move on last Friday. So here I find that my expected trading zone for the upcoming week will be from the levels of $1795 to $1857. The gold futures may try to test the highs of $1857 during the upcoming week. So here I find that the gold futures may take this range from the levels of $1795 to $1818 as a launch pad for an upward move. So we'll have to see that if we find a weekly closing during the upcoming week above the levels of $1836, will see the good futures to move more upward above the levels of the 1863. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.